Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Create PowerPoint slides using ChatGPT. Do you often spend a lot of time to making PowerPoint presentation? Or if you do, you are not alone creating PowerPoint presentation. So here is a simple and fast way to make PowerPoint presentations, which are ChatGPT. You can create amazing and beautiful PPT with just a click of button. So in this tutorial we will learn how to create PowerPoint slides using ChatGPT. So, let's begin. First, open your internet browser, and on the search bar, type ChatGPT. Alright. Click on first link. Okay. If you are new to this site, then you have to sign up. So, I already have an account, so it OS logged in. You can also directly type chat.openai.com. The portion where you type prompts entire GPT reply to each prompt. Okay. Now you have to search for a topic on which you want to create slides. So, for example, my research topic is impact of social media on youth. I will type on ChatGPT that my research topic is impact of social media on youth. Create PowerPoint presentation on given topic in a professional manner. Okay. You can also tell how much slides you need for the given topic, like 10 slides or 15 slides. So, you must mention the number of slides you want. For example, I want 20 slides. Then I will write, provide 20 slides on given topic, and then press enter. Alright. You can see, ChatGPT has started providing us the slides. Here is an outline with content for each of the 20 slides. Like slide 1 is about the title. Slide 2 is about the agenda. Slide 3 is about introduction. Slide 4 is importance of topic. Slide 5 is positive effects. Slide 6 is about negative effects. You can see, each slide is having title and detail. So, in this way, ChatGPT has generated PowerPoint on the topic, impact of social media on youth. So, feel free to use this outline and the provided content as a starting point for your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, you can expand on each point, add relevant images or graphics and customize the design to match your preferences. Okay, if you feel that some of the slides are missing, then you can simply ask to ChatGPT to add it. For example, I will write, "Can you add impact of social media on students? I want a detailed slide on it," and then press enter. Here you can see a detailed slide specifically focusing on the impact of social media on students. So, in this way, the PowerPoint slides are ready in the given topic. Okay. Now, we have to copy all these slides. Next, you paste all of text on Microsoft document, which we have created on ChatGPT. There was one more additional slide. Copy it, and paste on the Word document. I will add it the name Slide 21. Now the slides are ready to be converted into PowerPoint slides.